Thanks for the service.
I'm from California. I'm from LA.
LA traffic is... How long have you been here?
I've been here. Where are you guys from?
Well, there's 3 from UK. I'm
Okay.
from Missouri.
Oh.
Grabe. We're at Seafood City Supermarket. Ang cool. Merong mga Red Ribbon, Jollibee, may Chowking. Ayun pala kita yung Chowking. Chowking. Okay. And then dyan kami kumain kanina. Grill City. Sarap ng buhay nila dito. Ang daming pwedeng kainan na Pinoy food. Bilhan na Pinoy products. Nice. And si Ryan. Si driver. Drive ng 4 hours from Palm Springs to Las Vegas.
Biglang nanliit dun sa no?
Nanliit kami lahat doon sa Uber na sinakyan. Kausap ni Liza yung tita niya na nag-book ng hotel for us. Thank you po. At ito ay may nabiling ubi ice cream. Ay, doon sa Magnolia. Oh, may Magnolia. Wag kayo.
How much is that? Oh.
Ay, pagkwentuhan na naman siya.
So we had 3 seconds. We're at like 5 seconds.
40? 45?
Caesar's Palace yung... Ayun yung casino nyo. Ito na pala casino. Pwede mo kasing baguhin yung para hindi agad. Press mo na lang. Last mo na yan. Ay! Wala na kagad na $5. Training pa lang naman training. Hello, how? Yan na yun. Wala, naubos lahat yung $5 namin. Tagilid na escalator. So, very cool. Dapat tagilid ka din. Ang cool tagilid yung escalator. Hello, hello. The vlogger is here again. Here's our room in Caesar's Palace. Wardrobe is giving. Say hi, mga kaibigan. Hi! Oh, wow. Let's go, Vegas. Nakapag-nap kami. Fit check! Fit check! Check! birthday na birthday! Happy birthday! Ito na panalunan ni Liza. Oh. Nanalo siya, $15. $20 tinayaan niya. Any last words? Grabe yung tama.
Mom, dad, charot.
Pag hindi na po ako nagising mo ka, pag huling nabilin ka.
Alam niya na may proof.
Outfit check! Day... Hindi ko na alam.
Very fun.
Couldn't keep up. Outfit check. We're going to Madame Tussauds. And buffet later. Lalakarin lang namin yung Madame Tussauds. Napakainit. Ang ganda ng weather. Mag-hi ka. Hi!
Hi to the vlog.
Hi to the vlog.
Mukha naman ano ako dun, may pinsan ako sa London.
Thank you po sa ticket. Hanapin niyo to si ate, ano? Ate, ano name mo?
Tapos lang.
Yolanda. Ate Yolanda. Hello! Grabe naman yung, waiting area ng mga Uber. Parang si Cleopatra yung nagbubuk ng Uber. Grabe naman the chair. Got our Hershey's goods. Pasalubong. Fit check. Fit check ni birthday girl. Okay. Happy birthday! Okay. Mag-taste test kami ng famous Dubai chocolate na Fix.
Okay.
Dadamay ko sila, mga kamag-anak ni Liza.
Hi! Say hi to the vlog!
Hi.
Okay.
Woo!
Wow!
Ay! Ay! Wow! Ay, nahulog! Ulit! 1, 2, 3! Wow! Hello? Wow! Dapat may bayad yung mga artista mo.
Masarap, crunchy siya. Ano masabi niyo?
The best.
It's okay.
Oh. I must try.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you.
Ay, kita pala. Outfit check!
Happy birthday. Yes. Video. Napaka-fake mo. Ano masasabi mo, Liza May?
Maraming salamat. I'm so touched. Si Ate Ann, ano yun ito?
Yes.
Ate Ann, what would we do without you? What happened, Ate?
What happened,
What
also?
happened, Ate? Cute.
Right.
Day, I don't know,
34.
day something. We're here at the North Premium Outlets in Las Vegas.
Ready to waldas.
Ay, no, ang galing, di ba? Natakpan. Ang galing talaga ng mga zoom in ko. Oh. Wow, ayan yun, basta yun. Ayan, mas malinaw. Lunchtime. Thank you po. Thank you, tita. You're welcome. Thank you po. Wow, wow, wow.
Wow! Ice cream.
Avocado and buko.
Buko?
All Filipino food. Ensaymada mola. Hindi mo alam yung brand na yan. Sikat yan. Avocado.
Ako ma?
Buko. Kung inaakala mo ang Hey guys, so bumalik na kami sa room kasi we're preparing for Bruno Mars concert tonight. Nag-shopping kami kanina. Grabe! North Premium Outlet in Las Vegas. Grabe yung discount. O, pakita ko lang. Ang aming na-save, nakalagay sa resibo. Ito kay Liza. Kate Spade. Yung 429, naging 102. Wow! Grabe, amazing. 60% discount. Ay, 70% pala. Yung North Face, yung may 60%. Grabe yung North Face. At saka magaganda yung designs nila. Mas maganda sa North Premium Outlet kaysa sa South. Kaya go if you're in Las Vegas. So, birthday treat ko na yan sa sarili ko. Hey! Let's go! Dali na lang mata ko.
Kalat yung mas pwede. Design mix? Good show.
Bruno Mars, outfit check, yes, outfit check, Bruno Mars.
Bum 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 bum. Hey.
Meron nga. Pagod na ba lahat? Bruno Mars, grabe ka. Last day in Vegas.
Ano? Oo, makawalang tulog pa.
Puyat kami galing kay Bruno. Pinayat kami ni Bruno.
Outfit check.
Outfit check. Wink. Outfit check. Gumising kami ng 4 ng umaga para sa pick up. We're gonna do the Grand Canyon tour. Maaga ang pick up time. We can do this. Say hi. Hi.
Steps, rhythm in the air, in this summer heat we don't care. Feel the breezes lifting us high, we're chasing the waves, touching the sky, together we rise, no looking back, this summer vibe is on the right track. Summer vibes, we're feeling the heat, dancing all night to the ocean beat. Under the stars, we're never alone, this is our time, a summer unknown.
Coastline all the way back to San Francisco. 10-1 Cisco. Yeah.
He walked from San Francisco?
1918.
Again, last night in Vegas. Hell's Kitchen. Block ang thing namin. Okay,
Yes, okay.
Why not? Flight na namin bukas.
Anong in-order mo?
I ordered bone marrow for starters and beef Wellington for my main. Kasi need siya. Beef Wellington. Ikaw, ano in-order niyo?
We're having lobster risotto, the roasted octopus, and ribeye.
Ano sa'yo?
Ano masasabi mo?
Ano masasabi mo?
Wow!
Wow! Ano in-order mo?
Order ako ng crispy pata.
Nagkamali ka ng pinuntahan.
Order ako ng risotto.
What's your main?
Steak.
Siyempre, medium rare?
Yeah. Yung manugo-nugo ba? Sabi ko, recently slaughtered.
Cocktails. Akin yung Meet Your Maker kasi na-curious ako sa Meet Your Maker. Sa akin, the Duchess. Dati sa siyang Duchess. May lifestyle mo?
Notes from Gordon and Mocktail.
And Mocktail.
Free Spirit. Free Spirit.
Wow.
Oh, wow. That's Free Spirits.
Wow. Wow.
Wow. The Duchess.
red marmalade.
Thank you. Wow. Starters are here. Meet your maker.
Was you enjoy okay?
Thank you.
A free spirit.
Notes from Gordon Cocktail. May note talaga siya. Gordon na Gordon. Why did the chicken cross the road? Because it didn't fucking cook it. Oh my god. Oh, damn. Thank you. Parang puwet. Uy, rib eye. Nice.
Everyone, mac and cheese right in the middle is okay? Awesome. Handle on that one might be a little warm, okay?
Beef Wellington.
Hindi ko alam ang lasa ng beef Wellington eh. So, hindi ko alam kung tama ba nilalasa ako. Sarap niya! Sarap yung steak! Sarap yung steak!
Yay! What's happening? Whoa! Damn! Nasa impyerno na talaga tayo. Happy birthday, Liza! Yay! Let's go! Last day in Vegas. Nagpa-deliver Jollibee. Ay, hello po.
Magandang umaga!
Magandang umaga. Flight na namin mamaya eh, pabalik.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so Jollibee.
Saan kayo?
UK po.
Oh, wow!
Flight
Wala
namin
bang
pabalik.
Jollibee doon?
Meron naman. 9 hours yung flight eh.
Oh, ingat kayo!
Sige po. Ay, hello po. Ang dami-dami nakitang Pinoy. Nanghalata eh.
Kita ng mga Pinoy na.
Oo, katawa. Yung nag-deliver ng Uber Eats, Pinoy. Tapos yung nandun sa Baling, Pinoy din. Cool. Okay, got the goods. We're gonna eat. Breakfast, ay brunch or breakfast. Last day in Vegas.
Last day! Last morning!
Bye! Naalala ko pa nung... Ay. May pera pa kami ngayon. Wala na. Walling. Nakaimpake na kami. Sad life. Aalala ko pa nung inubos niyo yung pera namin. May Kylie Cosmetics na vending machine. Cool. Nakalampas na kami ng security and immigration. May pa kasi 1.5 hours. 2 hours. Uwi naman tayo. Mabalik na naman kami nag-duty. Yan. Kita mo ba? Kita nyo ba? Hanggang dito. Las Vegas ka talaga. Oh, the temptation is real. Tama na.
Ayaw pa kong bigyan ni Mae ng pera. Gusto ko lang naman pong palakihin yung pera niya.
Wow. Lumaki na nga kagabi, hindi mo naman tinalo mo pa dito. Binigyan ko siyang 100. Nanalo naman siyang 200. Nilaro niya na nilaro. Sana winidraw na lang niya para tig 100 ka. May nabili ako Dunkin Iced Coffee.
Ano, wala nang birthday gift.
Dunkin Iced Coffee. Wala akong nakikitang ganito sa UK.
Pumasok. Ang tulay sa.
We
provide immediate humanitarian response. Your donation will help us reach many more children and families across the way.
Together with STEM learning, we're increasing access.
Welcome to Manchester. With the local time, here is 8:50. As we need to keep all aisles next. Before you leave us, remember to check your seats and the seat pockets.
Bakit ang glumig-lumi sa UK? Wala na talaga.